green and stroke that through. The trick with this is to use the darker greens sparingly so that it feels like you've got that sense of distance still. You don't want to go too strong. See, I'm following the line of the fields and sort of bringing that in a little bit. Trying to shape the fields, sort of smooth them over. Without being too precise. That's dried a little bit there. Take a little bit more of the Gamboge. I just don't want that to be too hard at this stage. So it's just got this nice sort of soft feel to it at the minute. So I'm going to take a little bit of that Tundra Violet. Just start to bring some of that through. Just creating a bit of warmth, a bit of shadow. I'm going to go into the Moon Glow now. I'm going to get this tree line in straight away. So this is going to be nice and soft. I'm going to keep this paint nice and thick on the brush. There's hardly any water and it's coming into the wet fields, but then it's got the dry edge. So you should start to get a nice sort of distant tree line. Has got lots of bobbly bits. You can pick these up off Amazon. You can pick them up off eBay. You basically want to buy a Greek sponge that has lots of bobbly bits. Do not buy an artist sponge because they never have the bobbly bits, they're too condensed. You want to get a proper natural sponge, and then I just chop it up.